Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you about Instagram repost new update. If you are doing repost your Instagram post, so first you have to open your Instagram app and here select the post which you want to repost. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on this share option and here you have an option of to add it to your story or copy link. You can share it to Facebook or WhatsApp, but currently, there is not any built-in function option of Instagram to repost anyone's post, but you can add any post to your story. As you can see, I am adding this post to my stories. Just tap on it, and here tap on the share option. You can see here's not any option of repost, and here you have to scroll it to find add to story. Here's that option. You just have to tap on it and then you will be able to share it as your own story. So just tap on share, then choose your story and then tap on share again, and that's all. You can see I have successfully shared my post as my Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.